Welcome to our tutorial on how to use TradingView Volume Footprint. In this video, we will explore the features of TradingView and how to effectively utilize the Volume Footprint tool to enhance your trading strategies. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding Volume Footprint can give you valuable insights into market dynamics. First, let's define what a volume footprint is. A volume footprint displays the volume traded at each price level over a specified period. This can help you analyze price movements and identify potential support and resistance areas. To get started, log into your TradingView account and navigate to a chart of your choice where you wish to apply the volume footprint analysis. Once you are on the chart, click on the Indicators button at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Volume Footprint. Select the appropriate footprint indicator and it will be added to your chart. You can customize the settings by clicking on the gear icon next to the indicator in the indicator list. Adjust parameters such as the time frame and visual preferences to suit your analysis style. Now that your volume footprint is set up, let's discuss how to interpret it. Look for areas where there are significant trading volumes at certain price levels. Bars in the footprint will indicate where the most volume occurs, which can often highlight potential entry and exit points. Pay attention to how price reacts near these levels, as they can signal possible reversals or continuations in trend. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on using TradingView Volume Footprint. Well, we hope this insight helps you make more informed trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more trading tutorials and tips. Happy trading!